Algorand value equivalent to 2.0497 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.0066 2.0853. The earlier day close, 2.0920. The change was 0.0423, 2.02%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 1.85 rands, high 1.98, low 1.72. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.84 rands, high 1.97, low 1.71. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 1.80 rands, high 1.93, low 1.67. Algorand estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. In multi-week Algorand estimate on Monday, June 19, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55, low 1.35. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55, low 1.35. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Algorand estimate on Friday, June 23, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, June 29, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. In 3 weeks Algorand conjecture on Monday, July 3, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, July 5, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. Algorand conjecture on Friday, July 7, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. In about a month Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost 1.36 rands, high 1.46, low 1.26. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, July 11, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for June 2023. In the first place cost at 2.91 rands, exorbitant cost 3.03, while low cost 1.33. They found the middle value of cost 2.19. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.47, change for June 49.5%. Algorand gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 1.47 rands, exorbitant cost 1.57, while low cost 1.14. They found the middle value of cost 1.35. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.23, change for July 16.3%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 1.23 rands, exorbitant cost 1.23, while low cost 1.01. They found the middle value of cost 1.14. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.09, change for August 11.4%. Algorand gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 1.09 rands, excessive cost 1.09, while low cost 0.86. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.99. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 0.92, change for September 15.6%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023, initially cost at 0.92 rands, excessive cost 0.92, while low cost 0.77. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.86. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 0.83. Change for October 9.8%. Algorand figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 0.83 rands. Excessive cost 0.94, while low cost 0.82. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.87. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 0.88. Change for November 6.0%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 0.88 rands. Excessive cost 1.09, while low cost 0.88. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.97. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.02. Change for December 15.9%. Algorand estimate for January 2024. To start with cost at 1.02 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.02, while low cost 0.80. They found the middle value of cost 0.93. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 0.86. Change for January 15.7%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 0.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.86, while low cost 0.67. They found the middle value of cost 0.78. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 0.72. Change for February 16.3%. Algorand estimate for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 0.72 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.79, while low cost 0.69. They found the middle value of cost 0.74. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 0.74. Change for spring 2.8%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at 0.74 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.92, while low cost 0.74. They found the middle value of cost 0.82. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.86. Change for April 16.2%. Algorand conjecture for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.86, while low cost 0.71. They found the middle value of cost 0.80. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 0.76. Change for May 11.6%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.76 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.89, while low cost 0.76. They found the middle value of cost 0.81. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 0.83. Change for June 9.2%. ZAR to ALGO conversion scale equivalent to 0.4879 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4796 minus 0.4983. The earlier days nearby 0.4780. Change for now plus 0.0099 plus 2.07%. Rand to Algorand figure on Monday, June 12, cost 0.541 coins, high 0.581.